Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, this strategy may just be what you need if you are looking to earn some additional money online. This Digistore24 affiliate marketing strategy is for anyone who has never earned money online and simply wants to have a taste of what it's like to do so using a smartphone, laptop, or computer. Let's get started. The first step, register with the Digistore affiliate network. Next, grab an affiliate offer to promote. Third, copy and paste the traffic source that you will find there. Finally, become an affiliate to make money online and generate passive income. It's that easy. As mentioned, the first step is to register for the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. Of course, you can use any affiliate marketplace, but today's video is going to use Digistore as an example because it's accessible from anywhere in the globe, has some good deals, and you will genuinely like the site. Simply click Start Now to register for Digistore24. It's free, and after providing some basic information about yourself, you'll be able to log into your brand new Digistore affiliate account right away. After logging in, you will be able to access your dashboard where you can monitor your clicks and your earnings. To begin exploring various affiliate offerings on Digistore, go to Marketplace. There are physical things, digital products, events, and seminars there on the left-hand menu, along with all other categories and specialties. However, today you will be only concentrating on physical products, not digital ones. Why? Well, it is because those offers have a very low cancellation or refund rate and frequently function quite successfully. You can choose between the physical products for skincare or the supplements category under the physical products section. For the purposes of the strategy today, you will only be concentrating on supplements. It will then display a variety of offers that you may promote, and if a transaction is made, you may receive affiliate commissions for hundreds of dollars. For instance, 80 euros is about $100 when translated to US dollars for each sale of those supplements. Therefore, all that is left for you to do is pick one of the offers to advertise. Just keep in mind to check that the deals and goods you want to promote have an affiliate support page. It is crucial for the method being shown since, for instance, there are times when you don't have an affiliate support page. They do have an email, but it will take a while to get in touch with them and wait for a response. Just concentrate on offers that include links to affiliate support pages where you may get affiliate resources, which you can do by simply opening the affiliate support website. That will lead you to a page where you'll be able to see what it's about, like let's say, guaranteed 60% commissions. Imagine the average click-through rate is $4.10. Refund and chargeback rates are low, which is excellent because it indicates the product is in fact of high quality and the average commission is $170. After that, you should simply browse down a little bit and try to locate their email swipes. With this tactic, you'll be able to copy their email addresses to profit. You don't require a personal email list or email subscribers, so don't worry. You don't need a following on social media, you don't need an audience, and you won't be paying for single advertisements or anything of the kind. Therefore, all you need to do is ensure that the affiliate offer you want to promote offers email swipes that you can download with a click. So, for instance, you will just visit an affiliate offer page, click download email swipes, and then it will send you to see email templates such as in Google Docs so you can copy and paste those email swipes. Then, the next step is to go back to Digistore24 to get your affiliate link for the specific offer for which you downloaded the email swipes. As a result, in the example given in today's video, you will return to supplements, and let's say you chose the Killer Fat Loss Diet Pill, which people may use to start losing weight, making it a health-related offer. There will be a button that says Promote Now, and when you click it, you can copy your affiliate link right away and start advertising it. It does not get any easier than that, just look for Promote Now and copy the link. So, every time someone purchases the Killer Weight Loss Diet Pill using your affiliate link, you get $88. Pretty amazing, right? Now, since those URLs are so lengthy and confusing, you should consider visiting TinyURL. Simply go to tinyurl.com and you want to shorten your link by pasting that long affiliate link in the designated box and clicking Make TinyURL. Now, you will just copy the new shortened link because it's going to look a lot better than sharing the old, long, and confusing link with a bunch of different codes. After that, you should visit Instagram and register for a free account. Don't worry, you don't need any followers or to post anything on Instagram to achieve this. You just need an Instagram feed that focuses on fitness and weight loss. So, just establish an Instagram page or account with a handle associated with exercise and weight reduction. The method can still work even if you have no followers, no posts, and no followers of your own. You just need to add that TinyURL affiliate link and a call to action to your bio. It's that easy. Again, if you have no followers at all, don't worry. Just create an Instagram page for free and provide a link in your bio. Now, the next step will be extremely crucial. You want to go to those email swipes earlier. After that, you should also open a new document. It doesn't really matter if you use Word or Google Docs, just anywhere you can simply type on. You'll start by creating a call to action that, for example, reads, "Click the link in bio for the best way to lose weight." At the end of that message, you will provide your Instagram username. As a result, that will be at the top of your post, but aside from that, you should return to those email swipes. To write your copy for your post, you should just choose one of the email swipes you have gotten earlier from Digistore24. So, you can duplicate one part, post it on the new document, and copy their call to action. You can also update another call to action to click the link in the bio to learn more to add some variation. After that, you have now your complete Instagram post. Again, you won't need to share that on your Instagram profile since even you have no followers, you may still utilize it to generate money. It is encouraged for you to include your username numerous times in your article to optimize your results. So, simply copy and paste it so that there are multiple lines of it, and now you may be wondering what impact it will have on Instagram. People will be able to click on those usernames when it is included in an Instagram post since they will turn into a hyperlink. When they click on that, they will be taken to your Instagram account where your tiny URL is in the bio. They can simply click on that to start earning money. However, the font is rather small because most users use Instagram on their phones, so they might not be able to click on this account straight away. To make it simpler for people to click on it and make sure they don't miss it, you will be including numerous usernames. You then just need to copy the entire content and go on to the next website. The final step will be the website of Shoutcard. You can purchase shoutouts from well-known influencers there. Furthermore, you can pay them to publish your post on their Instagram page. They will then include that in the caption of one of their posts and connect their friends and followers to your Instagram account where people may learn the best approach to lose weight in this situation, which will be in your Instagram bio. If you visit the website, some of the people there have millions of followers and are eager to market something for you for as little as $10. That is therefore far simpler and less expensive than running advertisements on Facebook, YouTube, Google, or any other platform. You just simply must visit shoutcart.com and register as a customer for a totally free account. You just need to log in and head over to the influencer section where you can begin exploring and finding the influencers that will aid you in generating affiliate sales. Then, on the filters, you want to deselect all since you don't want TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, or other similar services. You simply want to concentrate on the Instagram post plus the bio link. That will then show you all the influencers that you can choose from. There are people that have 756,000 followers and the cost of their promotion is only $10, so they'll do it for dirt cheap. You can advertise to hundreds of thousands of people for just $10 and all it takes is one sale to more than double your revenue. In any case, you obviously don't want to focus on random pages like people who are interested in cars. You should then choose the category that has a page from individuals with an interest in fitness and weight loss. You can filter out all the categories and solely check on the fitness category. Once you choose the fitness category, that will display a wide range of pages, some of which have literally millions of followers that you can use for your promotions. Let's say you find a page that has 400,000 followers and will publish a sponsored article for just $10. To link other people, like your followers to your own Instagram account, you can pay some of those influencers and those use pages a few dollars to post your article on their Instagram pages. Once people click the link in the bio and sign up for something in which they are already interested, you will be paid a commission. The best part is, you can keep doing this as often as you like and base an actual affiliate marketing company on it. That is how you can take advantage of Digistore24 affiliate marketing to direct traffic to have interest in your affiliate offers, earning you a lot of money through commissions. It doesn't take that long to get started with that, and it does not need you to have any sort of big following background. Just make a catchy article, hire people to promote it for you, and earn lots of money. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!